The EOS app ecosystem is not just a set of tools. It's a true superpower created to help Microsoft partners grow stronger. Choose the apps you need and try them for free, on your own and whenever you like. Getting started has never been easier. With tutorials and demo data always online, you're ready from day one. No waiting, no complications. In just 5 minutes, you can purchase and activate your apps quickly and without interruptions. Want even more? Discover our kits, dedicated intelligent solutions with extra benefits at the best price. And remember, you're never alone. A dedicated team of experts is always ready to support you. What's behind it all? EOS Solutions, one of Microsoft's largest partners in the world. EOS App Superhero, your digital superpower.